Welcome to our guide on navigating the complexities of Australian travel documents. Understanding these documents is crucial for a seamless travel experience. Before you travel to Australia, it's essential to know the various types of documents you'll need. This includes passports, visas, and possibly other forms of identification. Let's dive into how to obtain a visa. We'll go over different types of visas, who is eligible, and the application process step by step. Next, we have the Electronic Travel Authority, or ETA. This document makes traveling to Australia easier for eligible visitors. Here's how to navigate it and enjoy its benefits. For those looking to apply for an Australian passport, let's explore the requirements and some useful tips to help streamline your application. Health documents are critical when traveling. Be sure to prepare your health declarations and keep your vaccination records handy. Understanding customs requirements can save you a lot of headaches. Let's go through what you need to declare to avoid penalties. Travel insurance is a must. We'll explain why it's important and which documents you should prepare for a stress-free journey. Keeping your documents safe is vital. Here are some tips on maintaining security while you travel through Australia. To wrap up, ensuring you have the right travel documents will contribute to smooth travels in Australia. Safe travels.